Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be explaining the dance step by step and with the counts. And don't worry because this tutorial is mirrored, so feel free to follow me. If I'm speaking too fast or too slow, you can adjust the speed of the video in the YouTube settings. If you want to practice with the music, check the link in the description. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. And if you're ready, let's get started. So we're going to start from the post-chorus, from the hollow part, and the first 8 counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 and. Let's start with the lower body first. There's some footwork, but don't worry, it's easy. So we step with the right first and turn the left to the side, okay? Then you step with the left and turn the right to the side, like this. And then again, step with the right and turn the left to the side. Okay, so it's step with the right, step with the left, step with the right. Okay, so for your hands, you're going to stick them together and make sure right is in front first. Okay, you have to see your fingers and close them slowly from pinky to thumb. Then you're going to switch to the left. It's going to be in the front and close them from pinky to thumb. Okay, like this. And then lastly, switch again. Right is going to be in front. Okay. So altogether 3 times it is looking to the side, okay, almost to the left, hollow, 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 okay. Then on 4, when it says O, you're going to step with the left, okay. I'm still looking to the side, and your hands, you're going to release your fingers, but you're going to stick your hands together, okay, right in front of the left. So it says hollow, 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 O. Then it continues on 5, 6. So on 5, you're going to close, okay? And on 6, you're going to close. So close your hands 2 times, okay? And your body is going to bounce to the back 2 times, okay? So it is hollow, 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 O, 5, 6. Then it goes 7 and 8 and. For this part, after 6, you're going to put your hands like together, okay, touching your left hip like this. Then you're going to separate your legs, jump, then go to the side, go to the right, and put your right hand in front of you, okay, in front of your chest, cross your hand, and lastly, you're going to go back up, so lift your body up, right hand in front of your chest like this, and left is going up, okay, touch your elbow. So this song says, oh, na, 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 okay? One more time, oh, na, 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 okay? From the beginning, from this part, so it is hollow, 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 oh, 5, 6, oh, na, 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 na. The next 8 counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and. Your legs are going to go out 3 times, so 1, 2, 3, and your hands are going to touch your left hip and go out, then your right hip and go out, and then your right shoulder and go out. So together, out, 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 okay? Hollow, hollow, hollow. Then your head, when you touch your right hip, in the first hollow, you're going to look to the front. In the second hollow, you're going to look to the left. And on the third hollow, you're going to look to the left. So hollow, hollow, hollow. Then, on 4, you're going to slide to the left, okay? Slide to the left, look to the front, and bring your hands in front of your mouth, okay? Bring them in front of your mouth. Then you're going to take the right out, take the left out, okay? Look to the side, look to the side. Okay, so from the beginning, it is hollow, hollow, hollow. 4, 5, 6, then on 7, you're going to take a step back, okay, and your right hand is going to slide through your body from the bottom to the top, okay, like this. Then 8 and from here with your index finger you're going to point to the front, okay, to the center, and take 2 steps, right, left, like this, okay, right and left. So slide, 8 and. Okay, well done. Now let's repeat from hollow, this part. So hollow, 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 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and. Well done, we're done with the first half. Now let's repeat from the very beginning, from this part. So it is hollow, 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 oh, 5, 6, oh, na, 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 hollow, 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 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and. Next up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and. So after doing this, you're going to touch your right arm with your left hand, tilt your body to the right, and with your index finger, you're going to make 2 circles, okay? 1, 2. Then you're going to switch to the left side, okay? Tilt your body to the left and make 1 circle. So in this part, they say hollow, hollow, hollow. On 5, you're going to slide your hands, okay, like this. Right is on top, left on the bottom. Tilt your body to the right, okay, and slide them. Then your hands are going all the way out, stretch them out, and bring them in slowly like this. Then from here, hollow, 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 slide your hands, bring them out and bring them in. Then on 7 and 8 and. Then after this, cover your body with your hands. Your body is tilted to the right. Then go all the way up, okay? And then with your hands, like before, touch your right hip and then jump and separate your legs, okay? So from where you stretch your hands, your arms out, cover your body, go up, touch your right hip and jump. From the beginning, it is hollow, 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 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and. Next up is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. So after you touch your right hip and separate your legs, you're going to cover your face. So first, tilt your body to the left. Your leg is like kind of bent. Then with your left hand, palms out, palms looking to the front, cover your face, and right palm is going to be at the back of your head. From there, bring your right palm all the way to the front, okay? Cover your face with both your hands. So hands are going back to the right hip. So from here, 1, 2, 3. After this, for this part, you're going to put your hands into fist, okay? Cover your face with your fist like this in front of your face. You're going to go all the way to the left. So bring your leg, your right leg in, and your hands are going to separate, okay? In front of your chest like this. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, you're going to touch your left feet. So your right foot is still in the same place. Touch your left foot with your left hand and then go all the way to the front. Like grab something and jump, okay, all the way to the front. And then look back to the left, okay? So after doing this, touch your left leg, jump to the front and look back to the left. Let's repeat from this part. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we're done with the dance. Let's repeat from this hollow, okay? Hollow, hollow, hollow. 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8.